Are you looking for the best MIG welders? In this video we will look at some of the 10 best welders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Hobart Handler 210. The Hobart Handler 210 has the typical great quality Hobart build with durable parts that stand the test of time. The 210 is more suited to auto body repair and construction than the 190 and 140, and it welds up to 3/8 inch. It's also a flexible unit with the capacity to weld off 115V and 230V. At under $1,000 it's a lot cheaper than the Ironman 240, and is a wise choice if you're looking for a welder that packs real power, but isn't the price of the heavy industrial welders. If you're looking for the all-round MIG package for power, versatility, quality, and value for money, the Hobart 210 is our top pick. See our full review of the Hobart Handler 210 here. Your purchase includes one Hobart 500553 Handler 210 MVP MIG welder, 110 feet, 3 meters, H100S4-10 gun, 110 feet, 3 meters, work cable with clamp, built-in gas solenoid value, and dual-gauge regulator with gas hose. Welder dimensions: 10.62-inch WX 19.5 LX 12.37H. Welder weight: 79 pounds. Input voltage: 110/115/120V, 220/230/240V. Material thickness: 1/4, 3/8. Sized for you to easily transport the unit to the job site with the power to weld 3/8 in. Mild steel. Keeps wire electrically cold until trigger is pulled, which gives you ease of use and keeps you safe. Allows you to fine control the output parameters for improved arc performance with less spatter for a better bead appearance and less cleanup. Number 2. Lincoln PowerMIG 210 MP. The Lincoln PowerMIG 210 is the ultimate MIG welder for versatility. It comes with the capability to perform MIG, stick, FA and lift TIG, but you'll need an additional foot pedal kit. This is perfect if you're looking to buy a MIG welder and are considering buying a TIG or stick welder as well. Buying a multi-process welder like the PowerMIG 210 can save you a lot of money rather than buying separate machines. Lincoln are the market leaders when it comes to manufacturing quality, and the PowerMIG 210 is top of the range to build quality and weld quality. The digital display on the front of the machine lets you easily key in your variables to get set up in no time at all with an easy-to-use user interface. See the full review here. Dual voltage inputs, 120V or 230V, means you can plug into any common power supply. Lightweight and portable, just 40 pounds. Intuitive push and turn digital controls make setup a breeze. Large color display guides you through the setup process. Advanced options and settings are simple to access. Number 3. Yeswelder Mig 205DS Multi-Process. Yeswelder have become one of the major players in the welding equipment market over the past few years, mainly through their immensely popular range of budget welding helmets, and they've now started creating their own welding machines as well. It's quite unbelievable how they've managed to put a welder on the market for such a cheap price. Most of us started out skeptical about the quality of these and how they'd stand the test of time, but they have held up really well. The main downsides of this machine are that the user interface isn't the best and a lot less intuitive than Lincoln and Miller machines. It also doesn't have settings on the inside of the case like many other brands, which is why we haven't rated it as well for beginners who will need more detailed instructions and guidance. As for other cool features of this machine, it lays really nice weld bead, it has a really compact, lightweight design, the duty cycle is really well rated, the case is made from metal, the 2T/4T switch, and it has synergic control MIG. Overall, this is an amazing lightweight machine with professional capabilities, and is definitely our favorite MIG welder for the money. You may find the price is cheaper on Amazon, however, take into consideration that you get better customer support if you purchase from the Yeswelder website, and you can also use our 10% off discount code provided. We've supplied links to both Yeswelder and Amazon above. Number 4. Millermatic 211. Miller have spent time crafting a machine to the highest manufacturing standards that is perfect for reducing setup times and welding up to 3/8 in steel. The most notable feature is the advanced autoset feature, which gets you welding out the box in no time. All you have to do is select your wire diameter, process type and metal thickness, and you're good to go. You can input your parameters manually if you'd prefer, but the autoset is so advanced that you really won't need to. The arc quality is spot on. It's a versatile unit that is dual voltage and is super lightweight, so it's easy to carry with the handle on the top. There are plenty of other fine details in this machine, like the auto spool gun detect, which can automatically detect a spool gun, and smooth start technology to enable smooth welds. You have to pay a bit more for this welder, but you get a quality machine with fine attention to detail. See the full review here. Number 5. Millermatic 141. If you're a beginner welder but don't mind splashing the cash for a top-of-the-range welder, then try the Millermatic 141. Miller have really pushed the boundaries of usability with this welder, and it features an autoset feature for an easy setup, and infinite voltage and wire speed control. All you have to do is select the thickness of the metal you're welding, and you're ready to start welding straight away. If you open up the machine, you can tell that all the parts are great quality and really durable as well. There are more powerful welders on the market for the price, but there's nothing better for welding up to 3/16 inch steel. See the full review here. Number 6. Forney 318-190. Forney have built a simple, mid-range MIG welder that's solid and reliable. It has some good power for the price, but doesn't have as good a duty cycle as the Hobart 190 or Lincoln 180. Forney aren't one of the big three brands, but this machine is still solidly built, and I'd feel comfortable buying this. If you want a basic 220V welder without any special features, this is a good choice. Read the full review here. Forney Industries 318 wire feed MIG welder, 230V input, 190A input, 120A at 25% duty cycle output, metal, green. This machine features an upgraded cast aluminum wire drive system, dual geared idler and drive roll with better despooler. This welder also features integrated feet, torch wrap for cable organization, and built-in strain relief to extend the life of the cable. MIG and flux core capable unit that welds up to 3/8 inch and features a larger cabinet for easy access to 4-inch, 1 to 2 pounds, and 8, 10 to 11 pounds, spools. 190 MIG welder, MIG gun with 10-foot lead, 10 ground cable and clamp, 15 input power cable, gas hose and regulator. Number 7. Lincoln EasyMIG 140. The Lincoln EasyMIG is a reliable 110V MIG welder. It doesn't have the versatility of infinite wire feed speed like the Hobart and Miller 140A MIG welders, and doesn't offer the same value for money as the Hobart Handler 140, making it a less popular model. See the full review here. Finish any home project, farm repairs, or basic auto body welding easily with this Weld Pack wire feed welder from Lincoln Electric. This refurbished product is tested and certified to look and work like new. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, basic cleaning, inspection, and repackaging. The product ships with all relevant accessories and may arrive in a generic box. Number 8. Everlast Poweri 140E. The Everlast Poweri 140E is a really lightweight due to its IGBT inverter technology. There's no welding chart on the inside, which is a useful feature that more MIG welders have. The duty cycle is much better than other 110V welders, and it performs 60% at 90A. At just 28 pounds, it's perfect for contractors or hobby welders who want something they can use every now and then and carry it about. See the full review here. The economy line of inverter MIG welders from Everlast is not short on performance or capability. The all-new PowerMIG 140E is a 120V powerhouse. The IGBT inverter design puts out a higher amp output with a better duty cycle when compared to transformer-based MIG welders. Compare the PowerMIG 140E to the competition. The competition features a transformer 140 amp MIG welder, which typically has a 20% duty cycle at 90 amps, and a far less duty cycle at a maximum amps, which is almost never published. The new Everlast Power iMIG 140E comes with a 35% duty cycle at maximum 140 amps of power. And it can do it while operating more efficiently, at a lower amp draw. To complete the comparison, it is also lighter in weight and offers a smaller footprint without reducing the maximum diameter wire roll size, 8-inch. Its size and weight allows you to pick up the unit and carry it right to where you need it without needing a follow-up visit to your chiropractor. Includes 10 feet, 3M, 15 series MIG gun work clamp AR/CO2 regulator consumable start kit minimum/maximum, up to maximum of 3/16, single pass steel/stainless/aluminum up to maximum of 3/8 multiple pass steel/stainless/aluminum minimum of 24 gauge cab ability use a spool gun to weld aluminum. Number 9. Forney 308-140. The Forney 309-140A welder is immense value for what you get. At comfortably under $500, you'll struggle to find a welder as reliable or good quality anywhere for the same price, and it has a better duty cycle than most 120V welders. Forney have also recently upgraded this model in response to customer feedback to make it even better. It's a simple design with no extra features, but it does the job well. The Forney 309 MIG welder, 120 volt with 140 amp maximum output, is an ideal machine for farms, automotive, and small repair welding using 115V household current. This machine is MIG ready with regulator and gas hose. Welding processes are MIG, GMA, and flux cord, FGA. This is a multi-step transformer-based machine with 4 taps. The Forney 140 MIG is a complete change from previous Forney MIG welders and offers several upgrades. For example, the welder has a higher duty cycle, quick Euro-style disconnect torch, longer gun/torch with common consumables, HD cast aluminum feed/drive system with geared idler and drive rolls, cable wrap and upgraded despoiler with larger cabinet and easier spool access. Please contact our team at customer service at Forney. Input power is 115V, CV/DC, 1 phase. Maximum output is 140 amps. MIG gun/torch is 10 foot, 3.04 m. Acceptable spool sizes are 4-inch and 8. Standard US gas hose setup. The weight is 56 pounds. The 5/3/1 or advanced replacement warranty is as follows with 5 years parts and labor or full replacement of transformer. 3 years parts and labor or full replacement of all components and parts inside the battery charger or welder that cover within the exception of the transformer. 1 year parts and labor, 90 days for industrial use, for all components and parts outside the battery charger or welder cover, included but not limited to cables, clamps. Switches, wheels and axle are not covered. 90 days for replacement parts. Does not include labor. Number 10. Forney EasyWeld 261-140FC. The Forney EasyWeld Flux Core Welder is an amazing option for beginners who are looking to weld without gas. This is a flux core only machine, so you won't get the same weld quality as MIG, but you can save a lot of money with an extremely portable machine. You can weld up to 1/4 plate steel, and it weighs just 19 pounds, so you won't need to buy a cart to put it on. This is definitely one to look at if you're thinking of welding for the first time, and have a budget under $241. This Forney EasyWeld 140FCI machine is easy to use with the 0.30 in flux core wire. It can do 0.035 wire, but we do not recommend it because it reduces the duty cycle of the machine. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control, so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder.